Bonjour. So finally we are on the boat. We're going to France. Usual delinquents with me. We're gonna go 2 days camping in France, and we didn't have a beautiful morning because it was foggy, rain. We've been in a bit of a rush to get here, but never mind. We are on the boat, so that's all it matters. Weather is cleaning up so far, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up, guys? We made it. It was a very interesting day, to be honest with you guys. First part of the day, I didn't like it. I didn't enjoy it actually. Basically because we tried to avoid the motorway and all that, and we took the back roads, but this area coming down from Dunkirk towards Ardennes is so dense populated that you're going from village to village to village to village to village. So basically you keep going from 30 miles per hour to 40 miles per hour and back to 30 miles per hour, and it's just a time-consuming experience. Never mind, we stopped halfway through, diverted, and we went to Belgium. Much better in terms of the ride. Anyway, we made it here. Absolutely fantastic camping site, except the bugs. The bugs are killing me, to be honest with you. We're setting up camp now, and we're gonna enjoy the rest of the evening. So tomorrow, I hope tomorrow the weather is gonna be all right, and because we have in plan to go for a swim. That will be interesting, or at least to sunbathing. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm gonna go and see what the guys are doing. They're still struggling to set up the camp. That's interesting. Voilà. We'll see you tomorrow.